Hi, 5th grade. Today is Monday, October 19th. Today in class, I do know that I have one student who's already checking out what I put on the Google Classroom. That is not being assigned today. That will probably be tomorrow. I look like I guess I'm just in a really bright classroom, sorry. Today we turned in our cryptogram. That was the bonus assignment. If you did it over the weekend, please make sure that you take a picture and give it to me by the end of my school day, which is 2:30. If you get it to me by 2:30, then I can make sure to know I have it and get it back to you. Of course, the phone's ringing. The next thing we did was we played a game on GymKit, and I will show you how to get to that. Hello. I think you need the other classroom. It's across the hall from me. I'm so sorry. This is the empty room. Sorry. Probably. Yep. Mrs. Sipp's room. Yep. Bye. Okay. So to go to GymKit, sorry, you had to sit through a phone call, but it's working that out for the new secretary. You're going to, let's see, when you go to gymkit.com, this is how we're going to play a game to review. You just type in gymkit.com up in the URL, and then you click join game. And we're going to play this game at 3 o'clock today, but you have to have a code that you're going to enter here. So I will tell you what the code is. Probably at 2:50, between 2:50 and 2:55, I will post it to the Google Classroom page. And so if I find a 5th grade page, there it is. When you go on here, don't worry about this assignment, please, today. I will put in the GymKit GymKit code here. It'll just be the numbers. So when you get that, you plug that in to gymkit.com, and then you click join, and then it will ask you for your name. You can type that in and tell it you're ready to roll. And then you have to sit and wait for me to actually open the game at 3 o'clock. I think there'll be a little choice in here that you can draw while you wait. You can certainly click that button and go ahead and draw while you're waiting for me to actually open the whole thing. So after we played GymKit to review, we used that to review the first few pages from our writing packet. Then we went in today, and the last thing you did in here was week 1 quiz. And today we did, let's see, I can make this so you can see this big. Today we did Monday of week 2. And you have 2 simple sentences. I hope we get to play kickball at recess today. Oops. I have a typo because I didn't put a period there. Now there's one. And then I promised Johnny he could be on my team. And our job is to first make it compound, and then number 2 is make it complex. And I didn't finish these from class, but these are how we started them. And remember, when you make it compound, you are using a comma conjunction. I used comma so. And then to make it, okay. And then to make it complex, you use a word like because or since or when or until. And if you cannot remember how to do them, the answers are at the bottom. Possible answers. You don't have to write 2 answers for each. Just 1 answer for each will do. And then if you have no clue what's going on, it's probably a good idea to go back in and reread this before you play GymKit today. But we use GymKit kind of as our review, kind of instead of rereading. So you have the choice to read it or just play GymKit with us at 3 o'clock. All you need is a game code that I will supply on Google Classroom. At about 2:50, I'll put it on. All right, and then today, so we did that lesson, and then I gave people time to do, to go into Waggle. And so you'll open your Waggle button, or they can, which I don't know if I want this open for everybody. Anyway, so the rest of the time we had about 10 or 15 minutes left of class, and we used that to Waggle or read leveled readers. And I would like for you to go in to your assignments and click on that assignment button. When you finish your leveled reader, I'd like to know it. And if you click I'm done, then that would be terrific. But remember, I want you to reread and reread, read it 2 or 3 times, please. And then, so I did get to listen to a couple people read, and the actual assignment for tonight is to read 20 minutes of whatever you like, do the gym kit game with us, and everybody has to Waggle 20 minutes a day. Today, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So at the end of the week, you're going to get a grade on Friday. When I look on there and I see how many minutes you've Waggled for the week, I should see 80 minutes. And you'll get a score based on the amount of time you've spent waggling. So make sure you're keeping up with that every day so you don't end up having to do a whole bunch at the end. I think that's it for the assignment. Have a great day. Hope to see you at Gym Kit at 3.